Hello everyone. So this is my report. Agosan del Sur. Agosan del Sur has Mamanwa, Manubo, Tigwayanon, Higaonon, Dibabaon, Umayamnon, and Mandaya. We all know that Agosan del Sur has different tribes such as Manubo, Ilonggo, and many more. Same diri as sa Bunawan, ang kasagaran diriya is mga Manubo. They are farmers, government, employees, fishers, loggers, and paid laborers. And naa sila'y lahi-lahi nga mga panginabuhian like for example kanang mag-uma mao gyud na ang main source of income diri sa atoa. Profile of the community and participants. Barangay poblasyon is where the municipal government centers are located and various basic services are accessible. The Manubos live in the barangay and they are generally educated. 6 out of the 10 Manubo women are college degree holders and 4 are government employees. So kasagaran mga Manubo is nagpuyo sa mga barangay of far-flung area and kana sila nga mga Manubo nga nagpuyo sa mga barangay is mga well-educated sila and also nga mga degree na holder or mga professional na. So, frustration. Educated Manobo women are sincerely concerned about their fellow Manobos who are unprivileged. They talk about their circumstances. They were anxious talking about the lives of the Manobos and other indigenous people who live in remote areas who were harmed by armed conflicts between the government and the rebels. Naay mga professional Manobo nga concern sila sa ilang fellow Manobos kay tungod daghan og mga discriminate sa ila and wala sab sila naka-eskwela tungod sa kalayo sa ilang mga lugar and kasagaran is nagapuyo sa remote area is delikado tungod daghan og mga rebelde.